All right, you guys, 7640 rolling view number 202. You got a little bit of damage there. The HOA should be taking care of that, so we're gonna have to ask if they do. It's right above the garage door. I know they take care of the landscaping, everything else out front. There is a sub-association and a master association here as well, so we will have to register with both of the clients. Door's a little sticky down here. I'm going to be meeting with Isaac. That is the general contractor and the handyman that's going to be doing some of these repairs over here. So when you walk up, you do walk up or down. It's almost like a split level. You've got a coat closet here, and it is two-tone paint throughout, so a nice neutral color. White tile in the entry, carpet on the stairs, and then you do have some storage here as well. So you got a storage cabinet and coat closet type. Garage door. It is self-latching, so it does close. They're going to be taking that out because it's not wired well. Missing a broken cover there. I'm not sure about this water softener, what it is, how it works. So we'll have to get some answers on that. And you got just the regular kind of lighting. Dining area. Some of this has been turned into a den or another additional media room or office, but it is a formal dining. Has a ceiling fan. We'll go into the bedrooms right away. You've got more storage at the hallway. Closet. Do need a repair on the doors. You do have the washer dryer upstairs as well. And then we do need to get some repairs done to this because the clips are broken. Toilet is also in need of repair. Doesn't flush right. And then they were supposed to be installing new tub stops. We'll see about that. It's very clean though, so got a cracked drawer there. Then, you know, normal water damage underneath. Ceiling fan here. You got blinds. I believe these are the ones that you can pull up and down. So yeah, screens are older and faded. I don't think the HOA takes care of that. I'm pretty positive it doesn't. You do have a pot shelf above the closet in bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 1. We do need the carpet kicked. Same thing with the screen here. And then you've got a ceiling fan in there. Master as well. A couple chips at the baseboards. Supposed to be putting this tub back in. We do need to repair the door on the vanity. It is dual sinks at the vanity and a makeup counter. Also, this needs to be fixed. It's bent all the way backwards, so it's not really on there right. Of course, the usual little bit of rust in there. And then linen cabinet. Almost looks like a dog or something. Maybe it's the water that kept damaging it. I'm not sure. It almost looks like it was chewed. I don't see any teeth marks, so maybe just water damage. Your water closet does need to be repainted. It is chipped up a little bit. The fan is loud in here as well. That was supposed to be taken care of. You hear that? Walk-in closet does have a shelving system. Same thing, the door's got a little bit of, looks like old damage to it that they covered up. Towel racks are on well. Carpet still. You got the dinette right there. So your breakfast table. You've got the kitchen pass-through. You do have the pool views on the balcony. Slider's a little bent, hard to pull back and forth. Has extra insulation around the doors. This is the north side, so it won't be getting sun like the bedrooms do on the south side. Then you've got your breakfast nook. So it's got vaulted ceilings there, or cathedral. Stainless steel appliances. It's like a flat, almost gunmetal type. Your sink, garbage disposal, fire extinguishers. Wow, it's rare. And we'll document all this with the Z Inspector as well. Cabinets are painted, but it's a good paint. It's not scratching off, so it's more of an acrylic than just a regular spray and go. And then your fridge, you've got the side-by-side stainless steel fridge as well. So it does come with all appliances. And that is Rolling View.